Dr. Crankypants, as you all know. Today, Funky Monkey has called me here again to make another experiment with you all. I hope we have mad science fun! As cool as it sounds, today we're going to explode a volcano. Boom, boom, boom! The materials we'll be using are teaspoons, hydrogen peroxide, a plastic emptied water bottle, a small funnel, some liquid dishwashing soap, food coloring, the color is your choice, and then a mixing tool, a bowl, and a half-cup spoon, yeast, warm water, make sure the water isn't hot or cold, and then I'm using a bowl so when it doesn't get messy. For the first step, the materials you'll be needing are your mixing tool, a bowl, your teaspoons, your half-cup spoon, yeast, and warm water. Hope you have fun! If you're 8 years old or younger, have a parent help you. Safety first! You won't be needing your big bowl for this one, so leave it aside. For our first step, take your yeast and your teaspoons and put 2½ teaspoons into your bowl. Once you're done with that, take your warm water and your half-cup and pour a half-cup of warm water into your bowl with your yeast. Once you've poured your water, take your mixing tool and mix it. If it's still not watery, you can add a little bit more. If it's still not watery, just keep on adding warm water until it gets watery. in the water together. Keep it aside and let's go to the next step. For the second step, the materials you'll be needing are your plastic emptied water bottle, hydrogen peroxide, food coloring, your liquid dishwashing soap, and then your small fennel, and then your half cup spoon. Now let's start our first step. Take the lid off your plastic water bottle. Then pour a half cup of hydrogen peroxide into your bottle. Don't forget to keep the fennel here when you're pouring. Now pour the hydrogen peroxide into the fennel. And now it's in the plastic water bottle. Now let's pour the 1/4 cup of dishwashing soap into the fennel. It might take a little while to get all of it out. Okay. So once you're done with that, just take your bottle and kind of mix it. Like kind of shake it side to side like in a circle. Like that, but in one place. To make it mix. And now, add your food coloring. I'm adding my color as pink. You can choose the color you would want for yours. And you don't need the fennel for this one. I put 4 drops of the food coloring. You can put as much as you want, but not too much. And then like mix it like you did before with the hydrogen peroxide and the soap. And then now mine's pink. For the last step, you will need your small fennel and both of your mixtures. Now let's start exploding! And make sure you have your big bowl so when it explodes, you have no mess. Now you have to put the fennel and pour your mixture in. don't forget.